Hello. Oh, it is on. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And I'm with Manny and Amari. Say hi.
Hi, we're Kyle's two best friends.
Yeah. So today we're gonna play. I don't know which one are we playing.
Far future and Plants vs Zombies.
Yeah.
2, it's about time.
Uh, so today we'll be playing the boss fights. Just I want to show you this. I already started playing this game.
But you didn't make it?
Yeah. I did finished it. I finished a Far Future.
Download Minecraft on
Android.
for free.
I use Aptoid.
Aptoid?
Yeah, Aptoid.
Come on, let's do this.
Okay.
Let's fight the
So
zombie
okay, Amar,
boss.
let's beat this. Let's beat the boss.
Race it, plant. Come on, let's do this.
I'm gonna place that right here. I'm just gonna place that right there. Amar, place one. Place a plant. Or maybe that one. Put that right there. Put that there. Put that right there. There. I'll just put that there. Okay, so I'm gonna put that there. I love it.
Password's the best.
Okay, Amari. Yeah, I got Wi-Fi.
By me.
Okay, Amari. Use the plant food.
Plant food. These guys.
Oh.
You're done.
Oh, how this one? Oh, I'm gonna lower this. I'm gonna lower this up. Oh, I'm gonna use this one. Okay, you could start it now.
Now we just need a little bit more. Plants vs Zombies 2, it's about time.
I'm making a video.
Yeah, we're both making a video.
Oh shoot.
Oh snap, this is a zombie invasion.
Oh shoot. We're gonna lose. We're gonna lose. We're definitely gonna lose. No.
You might not lose, guys.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm gonna try to cover all of it.
Yeah. Whoa.
Maybe if you hit the glass.
no, we got, I think we,
Oh no. Oh.
Oh no, guys.
no, I don't think we got any more. Plant food.
Oh well. The game is over. Yeah. I'll just plant that there. Yay! We're almost there. We're almost there. We're almost there. Let's just speed this up. Let's speed this up. Oh yeah. Whoops. I went that way.
You almost got it, you almost got it, you almost got it. Just one more.
One more. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we did Amari.
Alright, we did it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get. You want a drink?
Not yet.
You want a drink?
Nah,
Wait.
So thank.
Wait, drink?
Whoops.
Oh yeah.
So thank you for watching.
Yeah.
If this is the first video that you watch, then subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Yeah.